kids, let's continue learning how to write the alphabet. We are going to write the uppercase R. Begin at the top and draw a vertical line. And go back to the top and draw a half circle line going to the right until the middle line. And from the middle, draw a slanted line to the right. Let's continue writing the lowercase r. Start in the middle line and draw a vertical line going down and come up and hook to the right. Well done! You are getting better with each try. Keep on practicing. Check it out in the description below. You can download our free practice handwriting worksheets and watch more of our videos. Don't forget to